All right, folks, what is going on? Let's get this little dash cam installed here. This A119 Mini 2 with Sony Starvis 2 sensor. Let's get this thing hooked up in here. It looks like a nice little unit. I have not unboxed this yet, so let's do that real quick. I'm kind of shuffling around between the seat and everything, so I'm just going to kind of hold it up like this. Hopefully the lighting isn't too bad for you. But we'll get some more in detailed stuff. Ooh, that's nice. That little come up. Okay, I'm just gonna sit in the seat because it's coming down on me. I just slid down. So let's put you over here. Let's do you right here like this. And if I need to move you around, I will. Do the old hat on backwards because we're doing
on the show on the Chad Teagan YouTube channel.
Get you going here for a little bit, and then we'll throw this in here real quick. Shouldn't take too long to install. Ooh, look at that nice little thing come in here and everything. And what's going on with this? Oh wow, look at that, we got more stuff. We got a little sticky. We got the actual cord hookup. This has the cigarette lighter one already hooked up in here, and then whatever this is supposed to be, I'll have to check out the old instructions and stuff. GPS module. See what that is about, that email. But let's check out the size of this thing. Is this right here this big? So this must be where it sticks onto the screen like so. And then I can see, because this has an actual little screen on it, so I can sit there and watch that if I want to. Let's get in here and see what we got here. Wireless Bluetooth remote, dash cam hardware kit. Now this is if I want to instead of having the cigarette outlet, if I wanted to hook this up to looks like a ground and 12 volts, I can just do this instead of having it with the cigarette lighter. But we may just go with the cigarette lighter for now because we don't necessarily need to use this, but we'll keep it. We will keep it. Okay, micro SD card. Oh. Huh? I'm recording and installing this dash cam. So I'm kind of talking to myself right now about some stuff that's in here because this has a wireless Bluetooth remote. So I'm just figuring out where I want to put it and stuff like that, you know. Put it right down there. It'll be out of the way, and that's got a little bit of funk on that window there. So I don't necessarily, I do like it in that section, if you know what I mean, that location. But professional high quality filter. Further reduce reflections of windshield glass, get more saturated, beautiful video. Okay, so we'll get this out real quick and see how I'm supposed to install this thing. Okay, it looks like it may just clip over this, which it does. There's a little black thing on here that I'm going to take off, basically just covering the camera, if you will. I took that off and throw it down in there, and then this thing just clip on. Yeah, it just clips on like that. So peel that off and bada bling, bada bloom. And this is actually adjustable, so you can adjust that camera any way you need to. And peel that off, and it's basically your sticker to stick it on the window. So this actually isn't going to be that big of a deal to do this, I don't believe. I'm not sure. This may be something that's you know, you can hook into if I wanted to hook it directly into that. But I'm okay with having the cigarette lighter because I do have 2 extra spaces I cannot remember what else I used to use. One for a phone charger, which I don't need anymore because I have the one that goes to the radio. So that's nice. Okay, so that's just that. And then that's just a little short one if I was to need it, which I'm not. Give me this box back so I can keep track of some crap and what I'm doing with it. So we got that. And we'll keep that hardware kit. That way if we don't want to go with that someday, we can crack it into the old 12 volt, but we probably won't. And I'm not sure how much I'll even need of this because it's probably just going to, like I said, mount right in there. And let's see. That's not going to be, that's going to be a little bit better. Maybe we'll put it up here like this in the back, but then I can't see because of the speaker that's in the way, if you know what I mean. So we're just going to maybe stick it right in there. I think that'll be fine. The cell phone thing is right there, so you know what I mean. It's going to be right in this region. And I'm sure the CB is blocking you, but right under the old cell phone, I'm just going to mount it right there. So, but then I'm going to maybe have some problem getting the old SD card out. It's not like I can mount it right here, you know, since we're right there. Maybe I'll do it on the passenger side instead. That way, because it has a plug-in on this side and then the micro SD right here to get in and out of. So I may run it on that side. That way I don't have to worry about this and I can get that stuff on the side. But let's get this micro SD card in there right now so we can get some gigs going on, if you know what I mean. Some gigabytes. Nice little adapter. That way if I want to pull it out and stick it into the computer, if you will. Your wife coming out and checking up on me. Boom. So that's hooked up. And then this, we'll just stick this guy right over here. It's a pretty extensive cord there. And we're going to stick it on the thing though first, but we can run this over here, back behind here. It's really not that big of a deal. And I'm probably going to end up, I got a ton of wires and stuff right here. Yeah, that'll be fine to go right in there. Shouldn't be too big. That says power. Okay, so that's going to go right on the top like that. And then that's going to go down there, so that'll be fine. Yeah, I think that'll be fine. Peel that off and we got the sticky. Just have to check out that camera. Oh, that don't feel like it's very sticky there because I just, okay, there we go. Yeah, it just, we'll see how long that lasts. I mean, the old sun gets to that, the thing might plop off, folks, and then we'll have to get some more double-sided sticky tape, if you will, and do it to it. I mean, hell, that cord even feels like it'd be heavy to pull it off. So we'll see how good this works and how long this lasts, huh? Check her out. I need about that much cord and that's it, to be honest with you. So now I get to wrap all this crap back up because we don't need it for this VIOFO A119 Mini 2 with Sony Starvis sensor. It'll be perfect for right there. And we could probably just do a couple more here. Yep. And then put this down in the old window with the rest of the crap that's down in the window. So I got a bunch of wires and crap down in the window. CB antennas, wiring, satellite radio wiring, the old hookup for the cell phone wiring, and then Yep, we got a bunch of crap right in here, just shoved right down in there. So it's what it is. Let's get some power. Ooh, that's nice. It's got the double thing though, so I could put 2 on there if I wanted to. I like that. Let's get this thing hooked up here. See if we get some power. All right. Turn her on real quick. Should probably check some instructions, read before installing. What's this glass for? Check the GPS module. Nope, let's get you out here because you're about to crank down and bang bang. Check the GPS module, mount a camera. Supply power, remove the protective film, the camera lens, install micro disc, check for dash cam, record normally. Dash cam has 2 or 3 channel cameras. Connect to rear camera. Nope, don't need a rear. Okay. We got 2 of these. I don't know what these are for. Filters. Maybe if it's to do, if you're going to put it on your dash or something. I don't know. Oh, we got to plug this in. Let's see if we get power now. Got the blue lights on here. Okay, looks like we got power to it. There we go. We are on. Let's get up here.
Recording started.
Look at that. That's nice. I like that. Get in there. Get in there on that. Well, we don't necessarily need it recording, but I mean, if it's going to record the whole time, that's fine. That is a pretty nice view there. So that's what's up. I don't mind that. I think that's a pretty wide enough view. What do you think? Because Frank is right there. So basically you're getting this view right here from that dash cam. So that's cool. I don't necessarily need it recording. I don't know how to pause it or stop it. So I'm going to do some research on that thing, but that's installed, and then we will come back once we get some actual footage from it. I can pull footage from that and I can put it in here. So that's what's up. Thank you to VIOFO for sending me this A119 Mini 2 with the Sony Starvis 2 sensor.